Okay, so operations of functions. This sum, yes. We studied functions before and we learned that the graphs of functions. Today we are going to work with summation, subtraction, and combination of functions. So like this, if you have a symbol like this, f plus gx, this means that we have to, first of all, fx plus gx here, we add them separately, but we can show it like this with the same variable. Here this says that to find the sum of two functions, add them together. You should simply by finding like terms. So you are going to add like terms. For example, we have two functions here. So what is the case when we add them? The x's are not same, so we cannot add these x's. One of them is to the power 3, the other one is to the power 2. Okay, so we are going to write 4x to the power 3 plus 2x to the power 2 plus, if we are going to add these two functions, we can only add this 3 and 1, and that makes 4. So this is the case when we add this. So we add this function and this function, f plus g. This means like that. And we can combine like terms, but the like terms are only the constant terms, this 3 and 1. Okay, the others we write them as they are.
Can you wait?
Yes.
So I can write?
Of course. I'm waiting. Yes. So this is a subtraction. We can show it like that, f minus gx, fx minus gx. Okay, here. So we can combine the like terms again. So here the second one is a subtraction. It says be careful about that. So here, these two terms. So when we subtract, what happens? So if we say we are going to subtract f minus g, this is the thing that you have to be careful. Since we have a subtraction, we shouldn't forget to write the second term in brackets. This is really important. You shouldn't forget to write the second term in brackets. This talk came and Asim was talking 10 minutes before and he's silent now. Oh. You know, there was a dog like him, black dog of my finance, and he's dead for about 1 month now.
The doctor?
Yes, he was ill, but it was like him black, similar dog, similar type, and he resembles me. That dog. That's why I'm finding it very interesting. I was loving him a lot, but he's dead, and we have lots of more that kind of dogs. Okay, anyway, here. So we shouldn't forget to distinguish this negative sign here. And 2x squared plus 3 minus 4x to the power 3 minus 1.
Then he died because he was old?
No, he was ill. His eyes were not seeing because of some disease. We called doctors, veterinary, but they couldn't cure. And they had to make him dead, so
They
make
were
him silent.
fantastic.
Yes, okay, here. 2x squared plus 3 minus 4x to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, so here, what we have to do? Do you understand this case? We have to put the second one in brackets. Okay, this is the only thing important. Then we have to subtract this 3 minus 1. It will be 2. And the other ones we have, this is the result. So we generally write them in order. Okay, so we write the term which has highest exponent. So this here has the highest exponent, x to the power 3. And this x to the power 2. And that's the other term. Okay, so the product of f multiply of f over g. So this product. We can write it like that. F multiplied by g. And here we have to be careful to use the brackets. So this is not exactly the combination. This is only the multiplication. Okay, now here, after this, I'm going to solve some questions on board, but let's follow this from here. So we have to multiply each term with other. You can write by yourself, and you have to find it like that. Do you want to write by yourself? Now here. This is 8, if you multiply this one by this one, 8x to the power 5. Then you multiply this first term with the other term. This is 2x to the power 2. Then 12x to the power 3 and 3. So no like terms. So this is the... yes, okay. And I think at this step I have to solve some questions on board. I'm going to stop the recording. And
when you multiply, you don't multiply the x's, you just...
No, we multiply the x's, but when we have multiplication, we add the powers. That's the case. Yeah. I'm going to solve some questions now. I'm going to stop the recording here.